Hello friends, it's Kristie Marcotte. Spellbinders is celebrating Christmas in July with lots of fun releases, including their new Christmas kit. This year it's called Dear Santa. I've used several of their Christmas kits over the last few years and I always enjoy them. They are packed full with product and you can make a ton of Christmas cards. I also have 3 add-on die sets that coordinate with the Dear Santa kit, but these are not included. And I'll show those after I unbox the Dear Santa kit. And if you are interested in any of the products, I will have links in the description box below. I'll start with a cardstock. This is all 8.5 by 11 inches in size. There are 18 sheets, including 4 specialty cardstock sheets. There's a brown, light yellow, 2 shades of pink, 3 shades of red, 3 shades of blue, 2 greens, 2 teals, and then we have 2 gold mirror and 2 silver mirror. It's a nice variety of colors. Some are traditional Christmas colors, other are non-traditional. Next up is the paper pad. This is 6 by 6 inches in size and there are 40 sheets. These are single-sided designs. There are a few designs that have gold foil detail and it's so pretty. There are 2 of each design, so you can easily make multiples of the same card. This ribbon design is one that has that gold foil detail. I'm flipping through the paper pad quickly just so you can get an idea of what's included. Here's another design that has that gold foil, and I know it's probably hard to see on the camera. I like that there's a nice mix of busy and tone-on-tone patterns. And it also has the great mix of traditional and non-traditional Christmas colors. Several of the products that are included in the Dear Santa kit can also be purchased individually, and I'll have links for those products in the description box as well. Next up are 2 sheets of Puffy stickers. There's a full alphabet and lots of sentiments. And the colors match beautifully with the pattern paper and the cardstock in the kit. The kit also includes 2 sheets of chipboard stickers. One side is mostly sentiments and the other side has images. The next item is a pack of chipboard frames and corners, and there are 38 pieces included in this set. There's a fun variety of different shapes included, and you can get a quick look at those on the back of the package. There are 2 ephemera packs included, one with sentiments and one with images. And these are both packed full. You also get 2 of each. And after I show the rest of the kit products, I will lay out all the pieces so you can get a better idea of what's included. The next item is a sheet of gemstones. Beautiful colors that match all the other products in the kit. I love that there's this light teal, 2 shades of red and white. Spellbinders usually includes adhesive and they didn't disappoint this time. There's 1 roll of 8mm adhesive tape and 2 sheets of foam squares. I still have several rolls of their adhesive tape from previous kits. I use it all the time, but it really does last quite a while. And since Spellbinders wants to make sure you are ready to go with your Christmas cards, they also include envelopes and card bases. These are A2 size and you'll get 20 of each. And the cardstock for the card bases has a linen texture finish. So even if you don't want to use it for a card base, you can use this cardstock for backgrounds on your card, put behind images or sentiments. There's also the information card. It shows the contents included. And on the back side, there is a QR code that you can scan for Dear Santa project ideas at Spellbinders. So here's a look at the image ephemera pieces. There are 168, and I do have the duplicates stacked on top of each other. The sentiment and tag ephemera pack includes 130 pieces. So that's everything that's included in the Dear Santa holiday kit. And here's a look at 3 of the die add-on packs I received. There are lots of other add-ons plus fun Christmas releases. So be sure to check out Spellbinders for all the fun goodies. The first set I'm showing you on the right, this one's called Happy Post Envelope. So you have the little envelope. There's even a couple of wax seals and the tie and a letter to put inside. The set in the middle, this one's Festive Floral Mix. I think this one will be really fun to decorate the envelope, or you can use it individually. And then the final set is Merry Greetings. So it has the word and also the outline. There's Happy Holidays, Merry Christmas, and Season Greetings. You can never have too many Christmas sentiments, and I think this size is perfect. It'll go nicely with the images in the ephemera or to use with the die cut set. If you're ready to get started on your Christmas cards for the year, Spellbinders has lots of fun new products. Here's another look at the Dear Santa holiday kit. And if you are interested in any of the products I showed in this video, I do have them linked in the description box below. And coming soon, I will be sharing a video using the kit and also the die add-ons. So be sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.